Hello mates, right now you are at the entourage location of Belarusfilm. Directors from Ukraine, Russia and Belarus are filming war movies on this location. The game is played by 400 people who are divided into two opposing sides. This video consists of two parts. In the first part we held the defense of the village, and in the second part I decided to kill the commander of the opposing side because for his killing gave the maximum number of points. The game has begun and we are moving into the village in time to take up the defenses. A large enemy force began an attack on the village. We were forced to retreat and dislocate. What do you think the distance was to the enemy? Write your suggestions in the comments. Since leaving the respawn was once every half hour, I decided to launch the drone to assess the location of the enemy forces on the range. The reconnaissance showed that the enemy had fully occupied the village. Since there was an hour left until the end of the game, I decided to take a chance and try to kill the enemy commander, who was given a lot of points for killing him. This is our target, the enemy commander, who is currently guarded by about 15 soldiers. After 6 hours of play, my GoPro's battery died, so later action will be shown from selfies and kill cam. After discussing the plan to storm the enemy base with my teammate Gura, we decided to split up. Gura went on the attack and I stayed behind, providing cover for him. Gura successfully killed 4 of the commander's guards and moved down into the trench where our target was located. Since Gura's assault rifle did not allow close-range fire, he grabbed my pistol and tried to kill the enemy commander in the last seconds of the game, but just a minute later the end of the game was signaled. We failed to kill the commander this time, so we will try our luck next time. If you like my content, subscribe to the channel, put a like and write your opinion about this video in the comments.